Removing the background from an image has always been one of the most tedious tasks in editing. Anyone who has ever tried to cut out hair, fur, or transparent objects knows exactly what I'm talking about. But what if I told you that now you can do this with professional precision in seconds and without relying on Photoshop? Today I'm going to show you an AI tool that not only removes the background from an image, it separates the object with natural edges, real transparency, and a finish that works even in the most difficult cases. This is ideal if you work with design, e-commerce, thumbnails, or social media. But first, subscribe to the channel. And to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? So let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to show you this tool here called eArt Image Matching. I'll leave the link right here in the description of this video. And one of its advantages is that this tool runs locally, so you don't need to share your data on the internet. So after clicking the link and downloading the app, whether it's for Windows or Mac, it doesn't matter, you'll install the app at home and you can start using it right away. Well, so after installing it, you'll see this interface here. At the bottom, we have the photos that will be used for background removal. On the side, there are 4 artificial intelligence models available for you to use for background removal, depending on the type of image you upload here. When we click here on the question mark, information about each of these models appears. They are specific for each type of image you want to remove the background from. So let's go. I'll show you now a basic background removal using this tool. So the first thing to do is upload the image. I'll choose this image here, which is quite complicated because it's very overexposed. The background is white, it's very bright, so a regular tool would have trouble making this cut out. So let's go. For this one, I'm going to choose Alpha Standard V2. I'll click here on Start and then just wait for the magic to happen. Look, in just a few seconds, it made the cutout for me. So I have the original image and now the image with the background removed. How cool is that? So I'm going to choose this image here. You can see it's a pretty complex image. For this image, I'm going to select Solid Matte V2 Done. It's already finished. Let's see how it turned out. Original image with the background removed. Notice that here on the edges where it's really hard to cut out, it did a really nice job. And here you have other options. Under background, you can replace the background here. So if you click here on the image, look how cool that is. So you can change the background, or if not, you can just replace the background color and then you choose the color you want to use. And I have other effects that are linked to the removal of this background. Besides the background, I have feather here. So when I select here, I can increase or decrease it. So I can fine-tune the background removal here. I also have the option here to blur the background. I can choose if I want to blur the foreground or the background, and then you can change it according to your project. And you can also pixelate. Then you choose if you want to do this with the background or with the foreground. Either way, look, you choose here, and then you select what you want to pixelate. And I also have here the mask that was used to make the cutout. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 functions. If I want to download everything at once, just select all of them and click to export. It will automatically save all the ones I selected here on my computer. So you can do this all at once with all these effects here. If you have more than one photo, then just click here on batch export. What is it going to do? It will take all those photos where you removed the background or added some kind of effect and download them all at once. For this other image here, I'm going to use another model, this time Alpha Edge. Notice that the woman is in the foreground. The image has a blown out background, which means it's harder to cut out. But let's see what this AI can do. I'll click here on Start. So here I have the original image and the image with the background cut out. Let's test the feather here. Look, I'm going to slightly reduce the edge here, lowering the strength just a bit, and look how it gets better. So, an image that was hard to cut out turned out really nice. Remember that I have all the effects available here in case I want to use them. If you click here on Refinement, you'll see that I have 4 options here to further improve the quality of this cutout image. The cool thing is that you can evaluate and see which one fits best depending on the type of image you want to cut out the background from. Look, I thought this one turned out really nice. But even so, I still have some fine adjustments here that I can apply. So you can do this manually until you get the ideal result. Look how cool that is. For this image here, I want to show you another feature that uses artificial intelligence to identify different elements in an image. So for that, I'm going to click here on Area Select and then Start. What's going to happen? the AI will try to identify the different elements here in my image. In the foreground, it identified the bag here, and I also have the background accessories here. So the AI itself identified for me which elements I can keep and which ones I want to erase. If the quality of your image isn't very good or the AI can't select what you want, just click Add Area. Then you do the following. You simply come here and select the pot you want to keep. So in my case here, I want to keep the bag and also this other object here on the side. This time, I'm going to use Alpha Standard V2 and ask it to remove the background. And look how cool that is. In just a few seconds, it removed it. So in my original image, it only erased the background and kept the bag and this other object here that was on the side. So it's really cool because you can make specific selections within the same image and erase only the background. Inside image matching, there's also an editing function, which is very interesting. So you have some AI models here that you can use. And you can also upscale it once or twice. I'll click here on X2 twice and ask it to improve the quality of this image. So, before removing the background, you can upscale the image and then automatically, when the removal is done, it will look much better because your image will have much higher quality. See that it finished upscaling the image and the quality is really nice. And now with the background removed, let's see how it turned out. Look how cool the cat's fur looks here. It really manages to make a very precise cutout, of course, using cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Here in the Edit menu, besides improving the image quality by upscaling the image, you can also rotate it. So there are several options here to do this rotation. And we also have the option here to crop the image. In other words, to crop it. So just come here and then you crop it the way you want. So you can resize this image and then you crop it however you want. In addition to all these artificial intelligence features, you also have this side menu where there are some very interesting tools for you to make small adjustments. So you just need to come here, select what you want to modify, and then it automatically brings up these options here that will make editing your image, that is, removing the background, much more precise. So, did you like this tool? Then take a look at the description of this video because I'll leave the link there so you can try it out for free. There's also a discount coupon for anyone interested. See you in the next video. Bye.